My warmest afternoon greetings above all to our Almighty God for this wonderful day He bestowed on us. To our distinguished guest of honor, to our esteemed education program supervisor in science, Madam Brona A. E.P. To our respected school principal, Mr. Romeo F. Roa Jr. Correct? Equally respected school principal of Maasin Central School, Miss Rolina R. Acerado. To our ever supportive barangay officials, headed by Honorable Alberto B. Rita Jr. Dedicate to our active PTA officials, headed by Honorable Oliver Rosal. Dedicated teachers, loving and supportive parents, to my fellow graduates, spectators, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with great joy and pride to warmly welcome you to this meaningful celebration of our elementary graduation. Today marks not only the completion of our elementary journey but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with greater dreams, opportunities, and responsibilities. Our journey in elementary was not always easy. There were times when lessons were difficult, when we felt nervous during exams, and when we thought we could not do something. But with the help of our teachers, the encouragement of our parents, we learned to believe in ourselves and never give up. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, guidance, and kindness. You did not only teach us how to read, write, and solve math problems. You also taught us important values such as respect, responsibility, and helping others. You helped shape us into better people and better students. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless love, sacrifices, and support. You were always there to encourage us, help us with our assignments, and remind us to do our best. This achievement is not only ours, it is yours as well. To my fellow graduates, today is not the end of our journey, but the beginning of a new one. As we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, let us carry with us the friendships, lessons, memories that we built in this school. Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and believe that we can achieve anything if we never give up. We may be small today, but our dreams are big. One day, we will become teachers, doctors, engineers, artists, and leaders who will help the world a better place. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone and congratulations to our dear graduates